Judy. Yeah. Don't play in Judy's water. Isaac, don't play in the water, okay? That's Judy's water. I hear thunder outside. What are you doing? You're scared? You heard thunder? Does that scare you?
Yes. Hi. Hi, Papa.
Hi.
Picture.
What?
Picture.
Yeah, I don't know what you're saying.
Picture.
A picture. That's right. I'm taking your picture. Smile. Smile at the pictures. Smile. Yeah. Can you smile for the camera?
No.
Why not? You almost knocked me down. Whoa, whoa. Your sister's.
Thunder.
That wasn't thunder. But we'll probably hear thunder in a minute. Looks like it's going to storm. Does thunder scare you?
No.
It does? Why? You want me to carry you?
Yeah.
Okay. You're heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to turn this off now, okay? Okay.